Hello dear friends, I hope you're doing fine. Well, in this episode, we're going to talk about another interesting setting of Sora, which is this part, presets. Preset is something that we have worked on similar things to it before. We've talked about things like we have worked with similar things which was giving certain styles to your videos, animation, whatever. Now, right now, instead of just repeating a video over and over again and created it, we've got something called preset. Now, we've got some presets as defaults. Let's check them out. For example, we've already gone through cardboard. What does it say? It says the name and then the preset, the theme, right? The color, film stop, lightning, and the content transformation, right? For example, what about balloon world? Everything is inflated like a balloon. So usually the balloon world, it doesn't work properly. This one, for example, whimsical stop motion. Playful handcrafted animation. This is the color, this is the film stock, lightning, and the vibe. Or for example, film noir. High contrast, black and white, deep shadows. And camera should be like red, vintage, and blah. Film stock should be like this. And then the lightning should be low-key. Hard shadows, and the vibe should be moody, mysterious, and suspenseful. Well, what does this preset help us with? You know, the presets that have been made by OpenAI, we can actually use them for designing new presets. How can we do that? You need to open ChatGPT, and I hope you are already familiar with it. So, I asked ChatGPT for me to create some presets for me, right? Now, I give these presets to ChatGPT and then it designs some presets for us. So let's just put it one by one. Copy. Let me just copy real quick. Oh, it doesn't copy, it duplicates. Let's copy this one too. And this one. Now, what we're doing is, this is how we designed a preset. So, based on this, design presets for us. That's what we tell the AI. Right? And that's it. Well, now let's explain what we want. So these are some presets in Sora-AI. Well, we informed it about these. I need you to create me more presets, one for animations and the other for commercial purposes, and the third for social media purposes. Well, as you saw, I gave the right prompt. This is the right prompt for this. One for animation, the second one for commercials, for social media, and the third one for the social media. And I'll also tell it, get inspired by the examples are provided. Well, yes, you see that? Dreamy to the animation. Now, let's design a video using that. I'm gonna copy it, paste it here, and then copy and paste that. Let's see what it says. hand-drawn animation, soft pastel palette, dreamlike quality, pinks, lavenders, mint greens, film stock animated watercolor textures, smooth animation, lightning should be gentle, and content transformation vibe should be dreamy and all. Now, this is an interesting preset that has been designed by ChatGPT, and we can. And if you do not like anything about that preset, you can easily change it, right? It's just a text. Well, I designed my preset. Let's create a video using that. So this is a prompt there. A young girl in a flowing dress stands in a serene meadow, surrounded by softly glowing flowers and floating clouds, and she gently spins the scene translation between soft. Let me also remove that part. Let me just delete that part to make it a bit shorter. Has a dreamlike fluid quality with soft, diffused lighting and blah blah. So let's change it to dreamy 2D. Let's see what happens. Let's see how much of this preset is followed. The good thing about presets is that by determining a framework once, you can always, wow, absolutely astonishing, isn't it? What did it do right now? It created two, and it says which one is better. Well, at the beginning of the other one is a bit not good. Well, I really did not expect it to give me such a great thing. You see, you can use it by a great deal. You can just create a preset once and then that's it. Let's also use the second preset, sleek high-end commercial, or for example, bold dynamic social media. Hyper real, high energy. This is good. Let's see what it is for social media. And also, you can also do something else, which is uploading an image or a video, and it actually gets some insights from that video or the image to design a similar video. Let's also do that. Let's choose a video, upload one, and get insights from that video, which can be interesting to do. Let's upload a photo actually. For example, the previous picture. Now, the picture, actually a picture here is changed into a preset. It's turned into a preset. Also call it, for example, known, right? Or for example, sci-fi. Well, yeah. So a theme was created. Click on save. And let's say, for example, how this video is made using that theme. Change the preset to sci-fi and let's see what it is. Let's see the results if it's similar to that picture. This is the picture that we chose. So let's see. Yeah, the colors are a bit used and not bad. It's too normal, but a little, I should say that. It works on the prompts better than just uploading things, you know. But that's not bad either now, is it? The point is you can get a better result if you do not upload things. So in this episode we learned how to create presets and then use it over and over again, and not have to explain it from the top.